Are you ready for experiment? Are you ready for bubbling potion? Then okay. I'm going to give you 25 ml of water. Okay? You have to pour in beaker. Okay? You have to pour in flask. From beaker to flask. Okay. Then 2 spoons of citric acid. Only 2 spoons. Not more than that. Only 2 spoons. 1, 2. Enough. Next, 4 drops of blue color. 4 drops of blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Okay. Can you sing it with this? 15 ml of oil. Then you pour into the flask. Okay. Baking soda. Slowly add it to baking soda to that.
Okay.
Slowly. Slowly add it. Slowly. Look at the bubbling potion. Wow, look at the bubbling. Put more baking soda. Yay! Good job. Do you like it? Do you like the experiment? Is that bubbling potion? You made bubbling potion, Mayoo.
Wow, fancy.
Wow.
Micah, look here.
Look at Baba.
Wow, smiley.